Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself wishing Smartsheet had that one asterisk extra feature to make your workflow a little smoother, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to share your best ideas and feature requests directly with the Smartsheet team, so you can help shape the future of the platform. Whether it's a small tweak or a major enhancement, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to submit your suggestions, upvote requests from other users, and make your voice heard. So let's dive right in. Smartsheet is already a super flexible tool, great for organizing projects, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team. But like any app, there are always ways it could be even better. Maybe you've noticed it doesn't quite have the reporting formula you need, or perhaps customizing dashboards takes more effort than you'd like. Sometimes, especially if you're working from your phone or need something specific for scheduling, you might think, I wish Smartsheet just had this one feature. The good news is you can do something about it. Smartsheet actually encourages its users to suggest new features or improvements through their online community. This is an open space where users from around the world can share what they'd love to see next in Smartsheet. What's great about this is that it's not just a black hole where ideas disappear. The Smartsheet team regularly checks these submissions to find out what's most important to their customers. Now, submitting your idea or request is really straightforward. Start by heading over to the Smartsheet Community website. If you haven't created a free account there yet, it just takes a minute or two. Once you're signed in, look for the section called Product Ideas and Feature Requests. Here you can write out your suggestion. Be sure to describe not just what you want, but why you want it. For example, instead of just saying add native time columns, you might explain, having time columns natively would help our schedule projects more precisely, especially when we're coordinating teams in different time zones. Giving context like this helps the product team understand the real-world impact of your request. And here's another important part: don't just submit your own ideas. Take a little time to browse through other feature requests. If you see something you also want, use the upvote button. Upvoting is a simple but powerful way to signal that a particular idea isn't just a single user's wish. Lots of people would benefit from it. Popular requests stand out to the Smartsheet team and get more attention, which can lead to those features getting prioritized and built faster. You might be wondering, does it actually work? Absolutely. Many of the updates and new features released by Smartsheet, like improvements to mobile forms or more flexible dashboard tools, started as suggestions from everyday users just like you. When the community speaks up, Smartsheet listens. So next time you find yourself wishing for a better way to customize your dashboard, create time-based schedules, or streamline reporting formulas, don't just keep it to yourself and work around the limitation. Share your idea in the community, upvote requests from others, and help push Smartsheet in the direction you and your team need most. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this has helped you see how easy and important it is to contribute your product ideas and feature requests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions you have in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.